Locking the truck. Sup? Good looking. Okay. All right. First round, solid. Stalled out 3 times, as expected. Those tracks look new. Who's coming through here by my truck? Come on in. Who knew it would be so hard to turn around? All right. Didn't stand up as much as I wanted to, but I mean, definitely have more control body-wise, but like throttle-wise, I'm just gripping too hard or something. That's what she said. I don't know. I've just got a lot to learn, and the more I ride with Alex, the more I'll... Oh. All right, I have no idea where I'm going. Just gotta kind of stay close. Didn't really intend to be out here that long. It was 25 bucks for... Let's see what happens. Yoink! This would be the motocross track, I believe, which I don't want to be on. It doesn't look like motocross, it's just kind of like skedaddles. Oh. Just exploring around. Get off that. It's for psychos. Go up here. Oh, she's sweet, but I'm psycho, a little bit psycho. Oh, my mind. Oh, she's sweet, but I'm psycho, a little bit psycho. Oh, my mind, gonna get crazy, a little bit crazy. Yeah, my mind. Oh, she's sweet, but I'm psycho, a little bit psycho. Let's find that line, that path. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, get. Oh, shit. Damn. This thing has got some kick. That looks like single track to me. If I go slow, I might find that enjoyable. Or I might die. Oh well, let's see where it goes. This is double track. Oh shit. Okay. See, that's the problem there. Like, I try to recompensate by like gripping harder, which just naturally makes you want to pull. You know, you want to hang on. Wait, where the fuck am I going? You know what? This looks like I don't want to do this anymore. I don't know if you can see up there, but it's like the rockiest path of all time. All right, I'm gonna have to do a little loop-de-loo. And there goes that. Okay, well, let me back up here. I'm on, and I'm hitting a tree. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. Yeah, so if Alex were here, maybe somebody to watch my back. If I did hit a tree, then, you know, call 911, give me mouth to mouth preferably. No homo. A little bit, not much though. Mainly just keep me alive for my wife and child. But because he is not here, I will stick to where somebody can see me. This show was kind of fun though. My goal is just to make it like 2 hours out here. Oh, kind of slick and slidey. Good lord. Ain't got no grip. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Alright, came down this way. Come on. There we go. Yoink. Woo. Don't want to yoink that way. So what if I stand on that? Ah. Oh, she's sweet, but I'm psycho. Let's go this way. This looks a wee bit fun. Wait, this is gonna lead back to that other area, or I should practice standing. I told Alex I was gonna do more of it, so I should. Probably, yeah, okay. So that's where I went the other time. Yeah, okay, so this is definitely easier if you have throttle control. So that's the hill I wanted to climb. So in second, it's definitely a bit easier to get the hang of, but man, at first, it's just like your arm's gonna rip off. The buddy once told me when I was in high school, when I was asking about dirt bikes, he's like, oh, 250, you rip your arms off. I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go get a 450. For my first bike ever, first dirt bike, I'm gonna get a 450X. The coolest fucking bike ever. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is much nicer. I don't know, I did enjoy the roller coaster of sitting down. Be like badoing, badoing. Whoop, rock, oh shit, okay. Up the hill we go. I see why people do this. It's fucking awesome. I'm sure it's a lot more fun when you know exactly how to do everything. I don't think Alex crashed a single time, or at least that he told me. So yeah, you know, he's probably enjoying it a lot more than I am, but like, yeah, so we're at first again. Trying to get some throttle control at first is like, I don't know, trying to get throttle. It's not really a comparison I can think of. It's like shooting a gun. You know, you can squeeze and nothing happens, and then as soon as you put like 7 pounds on a 7-pound trigger, whoop, boom, gunshot. There's no like build up, it's just yoink. You know what I mean? Alright, how did I get fucking lost again? Oh no, I know where I'm at. Ooh, yeah, I know where I'm at. Fuck, alright. Yeah, it's like having a gun with a 7-pound trigger, and at all times you're holding like 5 or 6 pounds. And the instant you're like breathing on 7 pounds of force, that fucker's gone. That motherfucker. So yeah, I can understand how standing up is more fun. I can also understand how it's a pain in the absolute gooch sack to learn when you're on a bike like this. Now, if I learned on like a 150, you know, 5 years ago, that probably would translate a lot better than me trying to learn on this 450. And if I ever put this on YouTube, I'd be like, well, why the fuck did you get a 450 as your first bike, you piece of shit, dumbass, redneck, hickman, hillbilly? Well, listen, I think we all thought it was a good idea, but wrong execution. Django. Oh, look now. I mean, I'm a big guy. I'm actually 6'5", not 6'7". But I am 265 pounds of pure solid fucking steel. So, my big ass and my schmedium wallet were like, sure, I'll get a 450X. Why not? What's the worst that could happen? Oh my God. Woo. Didn't commit. That was stupid. Yeah, I didn't commit to that. That would have been cool though. It was fun. I need to try that again. It just kind of like disappeared out of nowhere, and it like didn't really. Now this looks like a good place to stand up. This place is cool. I need to come back here more often. Make friends. Anyways, as a brother was saying, I thought the 450 would be good for me because I'm big as shit. Which in turn, you know, it is pretty good. It's a solid ass bike. The solid ass bike, I think. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Look at this. Yoink, 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 yoink. Maybe I should sit second more? I don't know. I don't want this bitch overheating again. That was spooky. I was like, uh-oh. Oh my god, this is awesome. All right, let's get the second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's much easier. Whew. That's cool. I'm gonna do this shit again. Oh, my hand's getting tired. My hands. Yoink. Oh, it's so fucking cool. Ah! Yeah, sit in first while standing. Or you say standing at first. Yeah, see, that's awesome. Maybe motocross was my style. I don't know. Gracie would kill me. Woo! It's like a training ground for me specifically. No one else. Fuck them. Woo! Deadass hands hurt. For my 7-month-old at home, this is inappropriate. But Deadass hands hurt. This is cool though. God, there's 400 acres and I'm only on like 5. I'm sure that goes somewhere cool. This is cool though. It's like a little kiddie playground. Perfect for me and my 450. But yeah, as I was saying, I went with the 450 because I thought it was going to be cool. I figured, hey, motorcycle was 1,000 cc's. Suzuki V-Strom 1000 to be exact. And I handled it pretty easily, so why can't I handle this? Well, unfortunately, they are not the same. Once again, Dada's hands hurt. But we're getting the hang of it. We're having a good time. So far, no deaths, no injuries, knock on wood, boing boing. But my foremost goal is to come home. If the bike breaks, so be it. If I break, no bueno. I'm gonna do this little curve one more time. That thing was awesome. I'm sure motherfuckers hit this at like 45. They're like crunch down and know exactly what the fuck they're doing. Me, I'm just doing it for sunshine and rainbows. Yoink! Oh yeah, that's so cool. That was fucking awesome. I'm gonna come back for that later. Woo! What? I don't die. Shit. Okay, this place. Wait a fucking minute. Hold up. Hold up just one damn minute. So I come from that way? Yeah, because we're around there. Okay. So I came from over here. Yeah, okay, there's that trail I'm trying to get to. Oh damn, I just almost flew off the back of this thing. Okay, so I think this. No? How do you get up there? Me want to know. Me curious. The GoPro's definitely gonna die before I get back in the truck. It filmed for 28 minutes and lost half its charge. Now, again, I bought this thing in 2017, but I used it like 3 times and it sat in a drawer. Hello? It's probably some software update that GoPro put on it as soon as I turned it on to slow the battery down and be like, Well, time to buy the Hero Plus Black 13XF Editor's Edition. I feel like that's what I'm looking for. All right, I'm gonna stop my ranting. I'm sure anybody who listens to this video is gonna be like, dude, shut the fuck up and just ride. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't want to hear what I have to say. Oh God, this is cool, but kind of scary. Like, plunge. Uh-oh. I don't like the sound of that. Okay, yeah, this is where I wanted to go. But is this where I, like, permanently want to go? Well, I can't really turn around, so we're just gonna ride it slow, nice and easy. I'm sure somebody's been down there. Shit! Okay. Surely this has to lead out very quickly, I mean. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just crawling along. There we go. Okay, that's where I want to go. Man, what the fuck was that? Made it sound like it was scary. Plunge. I'm gonna plunge something into you. I'm gonna get up this fucking hill before I start talking shit. There we go. Yoink. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Nice little loop. Okay. Okay. Not allowed to ride through the grass. Doesn't seem like it's wise, as there's, I mean, well, somebody else has been riding through the grass, so fuck them. Okay, so I'm just hanging around here. This is cool. It's like a little motocross track thing. I can't tell. I don't know, as soon as I check out, they'll be like, I'm sure you're not supposed to go over there. That's for professionals only. Listen, man, I am a professional. All right, more people. They're probably having fun. Ooh. How you doing, little blue? Shit. I'm losing it. Oh, I'm losing it. Oh my God. I need to spend more time in second. That's where all the fun's at, I think. Get faster. Oh shit. Oh my God. Ugh. You're gonna leave me back. I kinda like this little loop I'm in. The GoPro's still going. This is nice. Definitely getting better. I'm figuring it out. I'm trying to learn on that wooded track. 2 weeks ago, last week, whenever that was hard. That was insane. It was like, hey guys, the novice loop is for kids trying to learn and wives who've never ridden. Like, okay, well that's not me. Oh, the fuck it wasn't. That main loop was hard as shit. Even Alex was like tripping out on some parts. He's like, why the fuck are we out here? It's okay though. Made it through, almost. a quarter mile left, and I got told there was like the biggest hill of all time, like it was Mount Everest. And it turns out it was just like a little loop. Man, I'm kind of... Alright, so I feel like second is where I'm supposed to be majority of the time. Yeah, second is so much nicer. I'm standing, throttle's fine. I'm gonna hit a tree head on, but I mean, like, come on, this is so easy. Nothing's rattling, it's kind of nerve-wracking. Heard it earlier. Dude, no way. This is where I was? Okay, so this loop isn't as big as I thought. I thought it looked familiar. I was like, I've been down this road before, but I don't know where. Something's rattling. Yeah, see, I'm like hanging on right now, so it's making me pull the throttle, which makes me go faster, which makes me hang on even more. It's not rattling, it's like buzzing. Might just be the chain. Hoping it's nothing expensive. Although I have kind of noticed that parts of this thing is not like crazy bad. Pretty standard. I came from over there? Dude, no way that was the front. No shot, dude. I'm so turned around. Yeah, I'm definitely, even since I started today, getting better. Dude, this is not the way. What? Dude, I am so turned around. Whew. That was almost bad. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I came out that way? Oh, okay, so I'm just like isolated over here. It's like one big loop. Oh, I understand it now. Literally and figuratively. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, something's rattling, like buzzing. Push first gear too hot. I mean, I don't think it was there earlier, but I mean, it's pretty noticeable. Oh shit! Hello there. Not even trying to go this fast, fuck. Alright, let's climb a mountain, eh? Worst Canadian exit of all time. Oh my god. That was awesome. Alright, brother. Okay. No visual problems. There's like a slight rattle. Huh. That is not good. Probably not bad either. Just Yeah, I can hear it when it's in gear so clearly. So I wonder if I push first gear too hard, like going down the hill or climbing up, doing this. I mean, obviously I figured out second is the place to be. Yeah, it's like there's a fly buzzing. It's like, whoa. All right, I need to slow the fuck down before I break my neck. Oh my God. Whew. Oh, no popping, no braking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whew. That's gonna bruise. Okay, still squat. That was stupid. That was cool but stupid. Whew. That could have ended so badly. Thank you, God. Whew. All right, knees, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, bending, stretching, bending, stretching, squatting. Okay. Huh. Note to self. God, I hope that's on video. Oh, you can't see. Okay. I hope that's on video. Whew. That was awesome. Terrifying because I legit almost just snapped both my legs, but awesome in the end. Okay. All right. I don't think the bike took hardly any of the hit there. It was just me. Oh, it's just like burning grass. Okay, you know what? I think, and hear me out, I think it's time for a break. Let's give it some gas. Let's see, you lead back to where my truck is. Woo! That was, oh yeah, you're right there. That's fucking awesome. Well, at least it would have been an easy crawl. Easy. Short, more likely, but. Can I ride through here? Holy shit. That was scary.